baby's awake. Well, hello, baby LK. Did you have a good nap? I know what you need. A diaper change in a bottle. Oh, there's somebody at the door. I'll be right back. Hello?
I am from Child Protective Services. We got a report of a crying baby.
He just woke up from his nap. I was just going to change his diaper and give him a bottle when the doorbell rang.
What? Leaving that poor child alone to answer the door? What kind of a parent are you?
Well, I'm doing my best.
I must see the child at once. Let me in, now.
He's fine, but okay, come on in. Oh, hello, Officer Friendly.
Ma'am, would you let a predator into your house?
Why, no, I wouldn't.
Then what the heck are you letting her in for?
Well, officer, I thought I had no choice in the matter.
On the contrary, you do have rights. It's up to you to know and exercise them.
You insignificant fool. She has no rights. I am from the all-powerful child protective industry, and I have spoken.
Let me give you a few safety tips for dealing with them there social workers. Tip 1. Keep your mouth shut. You have the right to remain silent. Should you give up the right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be twisted out of proportion and used against you in a court of law.
I did not know that.
Just stay calm, be polite, ask about the accusations against you, and offer her no information whatsoever.
You fool. She still has to let me into the house.
Tip 2. Ask to see your search warrant. According to the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, you have the right to be secure in your person, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures, and they must obtain a warrant. CPS workers are trained to coerce and manipulate their way into your home, but no matter, they can't enter without your permission or a court order. And it's not uncommon for a worker to misrepresent a few toys on the floor or a couple of breakfast dishes in the sink as a messy house, and you as an unfit parent.
I will have her sign releases of information so I can talk to doctors, teachers, daycare providers, and shrinks.
Tip 3. Sign nothing except upon the advice of an attorney.
I certainly won't, Officer Friendly.
Remember, she is there to gather evidence against you, and signing her papers such as service plans and releases of information are her way of getting you to admit guilt or getting your permission to get all the evidence she needs to snatch your kid.
You idiot. She won't know what's coming. She will be lost in a sea of paperwork and bureaucracy.
Tip 4. Document everything. Get yourself a notebook and write down the times, dates, and names of every person you talk to, every phone call you make, every appointment you go to, everything. Collect any paperwork that you get and keep it all organized by date. Doing this from the start will help you later on down the line if this goes any further.
You imbecile. I can take that baby whenever I want.
No, please don't take my baby.
Tip 5. If at all possible, talk to a lawyer immediately.
You fool. She doesn't need a lawyer. I'm here to help.
Tip 6. Never, never, never trust a social worker who is there to investigate you. They will lie, twist your words, fabricate evidence, and forge documents. Now you just keep these tips in mind when she's here and everything will be okay.
I certainly will, Officer Friendly. Thank you.
You mark my words, Officer Friendly. I will have that child in my clutches by the end of the day.
Now, there's no need for that sort of thing. Run along now, you hear? Let's go back and see how things should have been done from the beginning.
Oh, there's somebody at the door. I'll be right back. Hello?
I am from Child Protective Services. We got a report of a crying baby.
I understand and would be happy to cooperate. Can I please just see your warrant?
Why, I don't have one.
Well then, I'll have to consult with my attorney, so we can meet at your office to discuss your false accusations, say, next week. Now, if you would please excuse me, I have a baby to attend to.
Social workers lie and manipulate their way into homes so that they can steal children every day. But if you follow my CPS safety tips, you'll be a CPS safety whiz in no time.